Most businesses don't have a traffic problem, they really have an offer problem. You could have all the leads in the world coming to you, but if your offer is not irresistible, trust me, people won't buy. In this video, I will show you how to craft an offer so compelling, so powerful, your audience won't just want it, they will feel like they need it and they cannot be without it. Are you ready? Drop ready in the comments and let's dive deep in. By the way, my name is Arjuman. I am a sales and marketing coach, and I help service based entrepreneurs to get clients from social media without ads or even cold pitching using a unique video framework. All right. So let me talk to you about the offers. This is one of the biggest thing what I have seen in the businesses that they really have an offer problem. And that's just not your business. I have seen after working with multiple service-based businesses, I know that it is really a big concern, right? By the way, just to tell you a quick story, I myself learned this the hard way. When I started my journey online, I spent weeks perfecting the content, figuring out what is needed and stuff like that. But whenever I used to publish, you wouldn't believe it. It was all crickets. No sales, no one asking me for anything, nobody raising their hand. And I used to wonder why. Because I felt so frustrated that my offers were not selling. But then this is one thing that really changed the entire trajectory. And I realized that it was just not about shouting about my services. It's really about creating that irresistible offer that's going to show people where they are to where they really want to be. Yeah. So once I changed that and once I focused on the transformation of the offers, my program started selling, my coaching started selling from like literally going from zero to charging 5 figures in less than a couple of months. Okay. Now I will break this down to you in the key elements. So there are these 5 key elements that we use in our business, and it has worked wonders for us. And if you're going to use the same thing, I can assure you that you will see the difference in the way people perceive your business and your offers. So the number one key element is, by the way, if you're not yet taking notes, grab a pen and paper, take notes, okay? The first step here is identifying the pain points your ideal clients have. Now, regardless of whatever niche you are in, your ideal clients do have certain pain points, right? So your audience actually don't care about your products or about your services. They really care about how you, as in your offer, can solve their problems, right? So the first step is you need to show them that you as a business, you as a service provider, you understand their pain. Now, let me give you an example of a fitness coach or a gym owner. Okay. So your audience are not just looking to lose weight. They are already frustrated because they have tried everything, but nothing sticks. They feel very uncomfortable in their own skin. They avoid looking in the mirror. So these are the biggest pain points anyone, who want to lose weight, they really have, isn't it? Now, let's take an example of a business consultant. So if you are a business consultant, your audience are not just looking for growth. They are struggling with too many expenses with no profit. Yeah. Their clients are ghosting them after the calls. They're working way too hard, but not making more. So positioning your offers as a solution is the key here. So this is where you can magnetize your offer by listening and understanding their frustration. So as a business, you can always say, listen, I get it. This is exactly why I created this particular service or a product for you so that I can help people like you get results without all the frustration. Is that making sense? Now, let's move on. The second key element here is people really want to understand what's the desired outcome. So the key here is your desired outcome really, really matters a lot, because let's be real, guys, people don't buy products, they buy results. Now, your job is to paint a picture so clear that they can see, feel and imagine themselves in, where they really want to be, right? So you are going to bridge this gap between where they are to where they really want to be, and your offer, your product, your service, whatsoever it is, that's going to help them show, like, this is where you are and this is where this particular thing is going to take you, right? Now let me give you an example, okay? And I love to give example because it really helps you to create your own offers, and this will also give you insights in terms of how you can implement this immediately, right? So let me take an example of a course creator selling a copywriting program. Okay, now imagine this: you write a simple post, an email, or a sales page, and boom, your clients reach out to you asking to pay you. So you're not chasing, you're not begging, you are effortlessly selling your offers. Does that make sense? Now, let me give an example of, let's say, an e-com store selling skincare products. Yeah, I'm sure you might have seen a lot of ads about the skincare products. Now, when your offer puts people in this position, like picture waking up, looking in the mirror, and seeing the clear, glowing skin. No makeup is needed, no filters, just confidence. How does this sound to you? If you were looking for a skincare product, wouldn't you be inclined to check out what this is and buy this immediately? Because this is exactly what it does for you, because it's really all about showing people the desired outcome of what they are looking for, right? So the clearer you make the desired outcome, the more people want to buy your offers. Okay, now let's move on to the third key element. Here is something where most of the coaches, consultants, service-based entrepreneurs do struggle with, and that is the unique value proposition. Okay, now you might ask, like, okay, what's their unique? Why does it even matter? It does matter, guys. It really does matter. Okay, now the internet is actually filled with competition. We have so much of competition that the market is getting saturated, and we are living in a saturated market. So why should someone choose you and not others? Think about this, right? Now, here is how you will prove this to your ideal clients. Now, number one is you need to find your unique mechanism. That means what makes your solution different from other people in the market, right? Number two, you need to show how this is going to get them results faster, easier, and it is a better alternatives from everything that's already floating in the market. Okay. Number three, you really have to back it up with the proof. Okay, because testimonials, proofs, results of your existing clients play a major role in this. All right. And if you don't have testimonials, it's okay. There is another video that I can do for you on how to get testimonials. But anyhow, let's get back to this. Let me give you an example of how you can stand out in the niche, right? Now, you know me, I'm a sales and marketing coach, and I usually teach service-based entrepreneurs to have high ticket offers, to sell high ticket offers. So I teach on selling high ticket sales programs, right? Now, if I have my offer like this, would you be inclined to buy this? So most sales programs teach you the scripts and pressure tactics. But in my coaching program, we teach you a unique psychologically backed framework that makes people want to buy without feeling salesy. And this unique psychological backed framework is, really going to focus on how you don't want to use the pressured sales tactics and still have people asking for your offers. And this unique framework is a video framework that we teach, and this video framework has generated us multiple six figures. How does this sound to you? Would you be inclined? Let me know in the comments. Okay. Now, let me give you an example of health coaches. Okay. Now, if you're a health coach and you are selling a nutrition plan, now, if you have a unique mechanism like this, forget the meal plans. That might require hours in the kitchen. My 3-step metabolism reset program will get you the results without meal prepping, counting calories, or feeling deprived. How does this sound to you? Does this sound unique apart from all the nutritionists, health coaches, what they offer? This is what you need in your offers. You need to have a unique mechanism so that people can understand that they've already tried a lot of old ways and these old ways have not worked for them. Now you say that ditch the old way and this is my new way of doing things, right? All right, so let's move on. Now, the number 4 is the scarcity and an urgency element. And I have seen a lot of business owners, they don't have scarcity and urgency element in their offer. And I do believe it is super important for you to create that urgency so that your ideal clients can take action immediately. Right now, you might ask, how do I create that urgency? Because I don't know, I don't want to, create that fake scarcity. I do have a lot of people telling me this, and that's why I'm addressing this here, right? Now, it's not about creating a fake scarcity. It's really about creating that urgency, and you really have to stick to it. That's where the ethical business comes into place, right? Now, how would you incorporate this? Now, this is an example of, let's say, an online course launch where a person who is doing an online course launch can always have a scarcity element like this program is only open for 7 days. After that, doors close and you will have to wait for months for the next round. Right? So there is an urgency, there is a time frame that is 7 days, and you have 7 days for you to sign up, right? Another example as in early buyers, like a special bonus, right? So for the first 10 people who sign up now, I will be giving an exclusive bonus as an additional training valued, let's say $500. And that's going to be absolutely free for you, right? Another element can be limited spots. I want to work only with 10 people this month. So once the spots are filled, you will have to join the wait list. Right? So people hate missing out. So when you use a fear of missing out, a FOMO, that helps people to act now. And if people don't have that act now factor, they will never take action, guys. And that's true. Yeah, that's real. And I've experienced this in my business and in my client's business as well. And that's why it is super important for you to have this as an element. Okay. Now, last but not the least is the element number 5. That's the simple call to action. And a lot of coaches don't have this call to action. Service-based businesses, consultants, they just kind of forget this, So sometimes it do happens, but it's absolutely fine. If you don't tell people exactly what to do next, they won't do it. As simple as that, right? So what do you have to do is you really have to take them to the next step of the process, right? Whether it is a post, a blog, a video sales letter, whatsoever, tell them what to do. It can be click the link below, check out my Facebook group, or check out my story or whatsoever. Tell them what to do next. That's number 1. Second, tell them why they have to do it. Okay, because this offer won't last for a long time. So you might as well check out the link right away. Right? So what are you saying? You're giving them a why factor. Okay. Repeat it multiple times in different ways, and that's when people will take action. Okay. Now see, a lot of times, if you have seen my posts, my videos, if you're part of my Facebook group, or even join any of my 3-day, 5-day programs, you know that I always have all of these elements covered in whatever I do. And I'm teaching you exactly what I practice and what I teach my clients, right? So you can have a call to action, for example, as a coaching offer, because I do that a lot, so I'll just give you what I do, okay? So if you're tired of struggling and you're ready for the real transformation, click the link below or check the link in my bio, book a free call, but spots are limited. Spots are filling fast. As simple as that, right? So this is exactly what is needed. And if you don't have these elements in your offer, trust me, it's like one of the links is missing, right? So just to finally recap, what did we cover is we covered 5 key elements. You need to identify your biggest pain points of your ideal clients. Second, you have to show them the transformation in terms of what exactly they want to achieve. Third, you need to make your offers unique and different from the rest. Fourth, you need to have the act now element. Fifth, you need to give them a reason to take action next, right? Now, it's your turn, guys. All right. I want you to drop your offer in the comments section. Okay. And I want you to craft your offer using this exact framework. And trust me, reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn and tell me how did that go. All right. And what do you think is the number one struggle you have right now in creating an offer? Drop that in the comments. And I'll also leave the link to book a free business blueprint call. If you want my help in crafting this offer, connect with me on a free business blueprint call. The link will be in the description of the video. And I don't mind connecting on a clarity or basically a business blueprint call. And I will help you craft your irresistible offers so that you can start selling your offers. And also, I do have a 7-day, course. Okay, it's basically an intensive on offer creation blueprint, and right now it is at pre-sale. If you want to get the details of it, send me a message. I don't mind sharing the details. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've got value from this. If you feel like someone else can be benefited from this video, feel free to share this as much as you can. Like this video, turn on the notifications, subscribe to my channel, and I would come up with more videos that's going to help you. All right, then take care of yourself. Bye-bye.